This is a small bird cage which you can also use for small animals like hamsters or guinea pigs. So this is how we received it. The size of the cage by length is 2 feet, that is 60 centimeters, and the breadth is 41 centimeters. Let's see how to fix it. There is no need for screws, bolts or other tools. It is just a folding that you have to open it. If you just open it correctly and fix it in the slot, it will be ready, so you can see it. Here you can see there is a sliding door which you can just lift it up, and this is the biggest door in the center. Let me show it to you from the front side. It may be slightly difficult to open and close it in the beginning, but as you use it, it becomes a little bit more easier. And you have this detachable tray for the bottom, which makes it easy to clean. You also have 2 small doors on either sides, like this. These are wooden perches which you can use for birds. If you're buying birds, it's useful for you. Then you have these feeding trays which you can actually insert into this window. You can use it for birds to feed water or grains. So you have one more set like this. And now you can see the cage is ready. If you wish to buy this product, please check the link in the description box. If you're using this cage for guinea pigs or hamsters, I would suggest you always use a rabbit mat. Otherwise, the bottom grill will actually hurt its feet. So hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching. See you soon with another useful video like this. Until then, bye.